We'll guide you through how to remove the CapCut watermark from your videos using the latest methods as of 2025. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop. Start by creating a new project or open an existing one. Import the video file you want to edit. Once your video is on the timeline, look for the watermark on your preview screen. You'll notice that the watermark is usually placed at the end of the video. To remove it, select the last section of your video clip where the watermark appears. You can do this by clicking on it directly in the timeline. Once selected, press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. This will remove the watermark segment without affecting the rest of your video. If the watermark is embedded throughout the video, you might need to use a cropping tool. To do this, go to the Edit menu and choose Crop. Adjust the cropping frame to exclude the watermark area. Be mindful that cropping may alter the aspect ratio of your video, so you might need to resize or reposition some content afterwards. If you're using CapCut's premium version, there's an even easier way. Go to the Settings or Export options before finalizing your video. You'll see a toggle that allows you to export without the watermark. Make sure this option is enabled. Then, proceed to export your video as usual. This method ensures your final product is watermark-free without any additional editing steps. And there you have it, a clean video ready for sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.